If you see an error message like this, which says Android could not be found at the following directory. Similarly, emulator could not be found at the following directory even after setting your Android home. Please follow the steps to get that fixed. Open your Android Studio, click on Configure, and then choose SDK Manager. Switch to SDK Tools and then checkmark the first option, which is Android SDK Build Tools version number. Click on Apply and OK button. Wait for the download to complete and then click on Finish button and choose OK. Now rerun the Appium doctor command and then check if the following error got fixed.